call out those names, but there are chains in India that are getting developed which are extremely sustainable conscious, right? So we are aware. It's just that we don't have an answer yet, but we will get there, right? Again, it all depends on what do you want to use blockchain for, right? That is a very important thing. So with that, I'll give it to Sharath and Sudeep to want to
sustainable blockchain platforms where we have one of the best, I would say, carbon neutral or sustainable blockchain platforms called Hedera, where Wipro is one of the governing council members. And I had the privilege to lead the Hedera ambassador program way back in 2020. And with the kind of governing council members they have the Wipros of the world, TCS, even IIT Madras is one of the governing council members. So the idea is to create a sustainable blockchain platform which is not energy intensive, but again, suited enough to support scalability with the right elements of security and governance. So there is a huge trade-off to be made between security, governance, and scalability. And that's where the question of public versus private blockchain comes in, and maybe Sudeep can throw more light on that.
So one thing, I mean, that's a point of common knowledge. One is that the second largest blockchain, which we call it, Ethereum, has recently shifted because of these concerns only. They've shifted from proof of work to proof of stake. So 99% of the energy consumption has reduced. Bitcoin, because of obvious reasons, being the godfather of blockchains, cannot move back. We don't even know the owners of Bitcoin yet. But that has been done. Second is, you should also consider the energy consumption vis-a-vis the scalability of the technology that blockchain is offering. So first thing is that Visa, having one of the very powerful servers, can transact around 24,000 transactions per second. That is Visa. Few of the blockchains have the capacity to do more than 2 lakh transactions per second. Just imagine when Visa, MasterCard and RuPay and every such chain data gets to the blockchain, they are able to record much more transactions which cannot be erased, which cannot be modified later on, always permanently there on the distributed ledger, and still consuming less energy than the most powerful servers of Visa and blockchain, and become unhackable, unchangeable, because the data is not centralized and it is decentralized. So these are the perspectives where we should consider the implication of blockchain and how blockchain is going to change the world. So what Varun rightly pointed out, that it is more about the perspective where you're using it. If you're using it for fun, maybe the energy consumption seems not that viable. But if you're using it for real technology purposes, solving a problem, that actually goes a long way in even introducing the sustainability when we are talking about the energy consumption and other things.